on the side that these slide into, and makes it basically an assembly. They look like one piece. Alright, working on the Kia again, changing the headlights and turn signal assemblies out. Got some nice new ones with light bulbs included. You see light bulbs are a little different to change. That's why I only got the ones with the light bulbs included. Switching indicators too. And it's kind of interesting on how these are held in. These are held in with that spring. It clips on the sheet metal right below the wiring harness, which would be easier to see with better light. And there's new ones on the new ones came with the new assemblies. And you have to take the grill out to get the headlights out because of the bolts here, and there's one behind here too. So you have to take the turn signal assembly out. I need to pull this right out after, and you see where the clip is. It clips in back here, and the grill comes off with a screw here in the center and pop tabs here. Ended up having to just use a flat screwdriver on them. They're pushed top and bottom, and found that you could push it down from the top with a screwdriver, and then if you can get in and push it up from the bottom with it, it'll pop out. It's a little aggravating, but not horrible. And there was a couple of retainer tabs too that held it in the top. And that's pretty well all. The wire harness is squeeze on both sides, pull out for the headlight. This one's just a push tab down to slide out. And that's pretty well all there is. So before long, this will have all new headlight assembly. Okay, I brought it outside so you can see the light bulb assembly. This is the headlight assembly. And how you change the headlight is you pull up on this tab to pull the rubber off. And then this little spring tab, pull that section in. And I guess you take this screw out and it releases this. And you can take this out and change the light bulb in it, put it back, put that back on, vents down, and very simple. And this is how you adjust it. This is your adjusting mechanism. And that's all there is to it. And these throws you off, but these are split from the factory. The new ones are split too. They're not broken. I don't know exactly what that serves, but yeah, that's how it is. Okay, we got the assemblies in together. There was a gap in this one at first when we put it in, and I missed a step on that. These go together like this. There is a tab set on the side that these slide into, and makes it basically an assembly. They look like one piece, and it keeps it tight together, and the spring just holds it back against that, and that's what holds the turn signal in, that little spring thing. And as you can see, we've got the other side in, and now it's just a matter of putting the grill and the protector plate up here back on.
Apparently this is finishing up another project. The headlights have been completed. This is what they look like when they're snapped all the way in. Since Kia did Kia things and did all kinds of screwy things with it.
They're quite dirty from a week of using it as my work vehicle. So long.